You see it always on, right? The inventory panels here. Okay, so you wanted to press the I and then it will have the coding lah, huh? So this one for our panels. Okay. So we can have the game object for our panels. Okay, public game object. Okay, inventory go okay. So this one starting will need to hide our code lah, so we can use the void start. Okay, so inventory dot set active false. Okay, then if we press the I, so the inventory will show lah. So means that we'll have the void update if okay, import dot get key down, so our key code dot I 是吧？对吧？如果没有记错的话，是吧？Okay, so key code I, so will be show our. Okay, we can have a bool here, bools. Story status. Okay, so starting you can have a false here. So you put it false. So now key code. So if this one so it will goes to inventory status, not the inventory status. Eh, 是吧？ toggle 上。诶，讲 toggle 小哈。Okay, we try it out. So for our inventory managers, inventory is the first. Okay, chance if toggle 怎样写哦哈？哦，所以是少一句哈。OK， 这句不用。no wonder 我就觉得怪怪的。Okay, try it out. So for this project, because this project is using new input, okay, so we need to go to asset edit, project setting, okay, we'll need to change the players and the input here we need to change to both. Apply, okay, so it will restart again for your project lah, to change to both input, so we need to wait a moment. Okay, so this one your canvas for your panels here. Okay, for your scripting okay, we just update the script. Okay, this script, okay, we just update the this is our panels. Okay, game object for our panels, and this is the status lah, is false, right? Okay, so starting is false. So okay, I think this one we can put the inventory status here, false. Okay, and then this one when you press the key called I, so your inventory status will be changed to another side lah. So and then this one will be set active to 我觉得应该是直接写这个就可以了。Okay, so we try again. And then your inventory management here, you put the panels here. So now we try again with the I. Okay, so like this. So I update the code there.